graduation. Ayan, graduation time. Ayan, ano ka.
The program is now in order. We request everyone to please all rise for the invocation, which will then be followed by a singing of Lupang Hinirang to be led by Mr. Archer A. Tabios. Prescribed by the Department of Education. May therefore request you confirm their graduation.
By virtue of the power conferred by the chairman of AMA Group of Companies through their founder, Dr. Amable R. Aguiluz II, the board of members of AMA Basic Education of Las Piñas and the Department of Education, I hereby declare your graduation. Congratulations to all of you and good luck.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us hear it for our amazing new graduates, the batch 2026 of AMA Basic Education of Las Piñas. Please be seated,
Marcela Maria Elisha Faith L.
Ang dami nila guys, ang dami nila estudyante. Nasa 63 sila sa UNIS.
Basa Benice B. Boise Angela Rose B.
To God be all the glory. Move forward. Congratulations,
Congratulations
na,
na,
graduate.
Payan Yums, graduate strand ka ng Yums. So, next time, mag-college ka na, sana, hopefully, ma-achieve mo yung mga dreams mo sa buhay. Mag-isa ka lang, kaya dapat kayanin mo ang mga hindrance, obstacles in life. Go a step one foot ahead, sabi ng
Graduates and our proud parents, your unwavering support has fueled our success. Remember, while a leader may bear defeat alone, victory belongs to all who stand united in the fight. This achievement is ours to celebrate together. Class of 2026, you hold within your dreams, aspirations, and the potential to shape the
Nagtatapos ang graduation. Last session na po yun, guys. Ayun, umabot din ng 3 hours yung ating graduation ceremony. Medyo gutom na kasi 1 o'clock na, guys, ang natapos. Ayan, guys, kaya hindi ko na siya binuo ng video kasi mahaba. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Congratulations, batch 2026.